Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're gonna be making some classic almond laddoos. Firstly, take a pan and add a cup of almonds in it. Roast until almonds turns crunchy and golden brown. Now take a cup of dry coconut and roast it until it turns golden brown. Now transfer almonds into the blender and blend it well into fine powder by pulsing couple of times. Then transfer it to a large bowl and keep aside. Now take 3/4 cup of jaggery into a blender. Now transfer the roasted coconut to a blender along with jaggery. Blend it to a fine powder by pulsing couple of times. Now transfer it to the same bowl. And also make sure that the bowl is dry and clean. Now in a pan add 2 tablespoons of ghee and roast some cashews and raisins in it. Roast until cashews turn golden brown. Now pour the roasted dry fruits into the mixture. Mix all together in a bowl. Now grease hands with ghee if required and start preparing laddu. So finally enjoy almond laddu for 2 weeks when stored in an airtight container. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.